Hello YouTube. So, we're here with the Jeep. Now excuse the hair, I just came back from my motorcycle, but we're here with the Jeep, right? So the issue I had with the Jeep now is that the headlights are absolute trash. You know, my Altima, they're trash. I don't know, like, I don't think the camera does it justice. They look like they're better because they're up on the wall, but I want up on the wall, but these are absolute trash, right? Driving on the highway with these, trash. Driving on the streets, trash. These are like not that fogged over. Like, they're pretty decent, honestly. But I mean, they're trash. So on the Altima, I have a pair of LED laser fit headlights, and they were great. Now, I'm not one to install LEDs in a non-projector housing. But like these are just absolute trash. So I'm gonna do it anyway. So I went on Amazon, and these are one of the most like purchased. These are Seal Light. I think this is Xenon Hour. I guess like Xenon Power, Xenon Hour. These are for the WJ. They're 9006 Type X1. So I already opened it a little bit, but let's actually. Yeah, let's do it right here. Hold on. Okay. So in the box, it's a nice package actually. Get some paperwork. Get this little bag with zip ties. Get some backup O-rings. And then you have these nicely packaged bulbs. These are like the LED like thingies on them. So I guess they don't like flicker or something. And then they give you gloves. Pretty nice. These are like cloth, cottony gloves. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick one in. Oh, and just in case my GoPro dies, I'm gonna be finishing it off on my, what's it called? Wow, I did not think, I did not realize the bulbs were that hidden back there. Okay, it's gonna take a little bit more work than I expected, but we'll get her out. Honestly, I'm probably gonna switch to my iPhone, but why the fuck is this like this? Oh well, I'm gonna switch to my iPhone, but I'll get back to you guys. But I think for the WJ, it's just literally just this bolt right here. It's a big long bolt that comes out, so we're gonna pull this out. But I'll get back to you guys. Okay? We're gonna pull them out. I'm gonna do one at a time so you guys can see the difference. So I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so we're on the iPhone right now. So it's literally this bolt that I showed you. It is a 7mm bolt. And as you can see, only a little bit of thread on it, and the rest of it's like a fucking stabbing needle. But it comes out, and then you just gotta like yank it out, because there's these like little like plastic tab. No, they're metal, but they go into plastic. So these are the headlights. So, I think I just keep it a little. I think this is it. Get both of them. There we go. Give it a twist. And this is just a regular 9006 Sylvania XS bulb. So we'll put that right here. So we'll grab the first bulb. So I've used laser fit before, I've never used this brand before. So you have just LEDs there. It feels so weird just to have them on the side and not like the end, but you know. So when installing them, they all look to be about the same size, the twisters. So I'm just gonna They are a different design. I think the lace fit ones I have all the mechanicals inside of the back of the housing itself, whereas this one has a separate like section, but it should just, I like try to get it even. Oh. Now the back of this housing is metal, like this bulb. Why isn't it going in? Let's see. I'm trying to see. They're all the same. Let's try to keep a smaller one in this section. It kind of like hurts to twist because the back of the bulb is metal. I think it's in. Is it flush? She's flush. Okay. Now you just allegedly take this, just connect it. So you have this little clip right here. I think it attaches to the back of this clip. Makes sense, like it would. There you go. That's a noise. Let's see if we can zoom out. Well, let me zoom out. Okay, but anyway. So just like shove it back in there. I'm gonna shove it behind like this plastic piece. I don't want to feel like getting crimped or anything. That's why. So get it nicely behind there. Get it. You kind of heard it snap into place. Okay, it's in. Moment of truth. So with the high beams, you can see that they are aligned perfectly. So it's a lot wider. I'd have to see it on the road. Oh, it is, oh God. Yeah, it's bright. I mean, I can tell right away, it is brighter. But with, I guess I was thrown off a little bit because it's not like my Altima where so the Altima, it's not as wide. It's maybe like here to here, and it's a very like, you can see the bulb. With these, it's what I expect. It is a wider path, but it is like perfectly aligned. It's not like, the other ones are kind of like a blob. That one's just kind of like a blob. This one's perfectly aligned. So we're gonna go ahead and install the other one, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. And we're back. So yeah, much brighter. Again, since it's not a projector beam, it does spread out the light a little bit more, but it does still center it in a specific area, and it is much brighter. So sorry to all the people that are about to get blinded on the road, but I can't see for shit. So far, great. I'll give you guys an updated clip on me driving at nighttime when I get the chance, but like, look at that. I know, and again, I love when cars have like LED lights that are whitish. And these have a white tint to them. They're not blue. They might look, but they're white. But it does look weirder in an older car. On a new car, on like a car like this, or that's a piece of shit. Explorer over there, like it would look nice. But on a car like this, you could tell it's kind of racery, but it's not a big deal. Anyway, so they're installed. Put the old bulbs back. Now I will say, hold on, let's cut the headlights. I'll kill the battery. I will say, though, that this was a steal. So, keep a toolbox like this on you guys for random shit like this. It has all the little bits I need over here. It has all the little bits over here. Now this box, I got for under $5. Saved $8. It's missing 2 pieces. It is missing a 1/2 inch and a whatever, 7/32, whatever this is, 7/32. But it's not a big deal because you damn near have whatever you need up here. And it has a 10mm right there, so we're all good. Now, this is a steal, $5. I did buy bungee cords to like attach, just to make sure it's never like pops open or whatever. But yeah, Jeep's all done. Looks much better. Yeah, just wanted to do a review on them. I think they're for now, the Lay's Fit brand, I think they're close, 25 bucks. They're a little bit cheaper, but we'll see. Time will tell, honestly. I've had my Lay's Fit and my Ultima for 4 years, but not 4 years. I would say 4.5 years. I would say that I would count it as miles, because if I had it for 4 years and put 150,000 miles on the car, and G has her car for 4 years and put 60, who used their headlights more? I did. So they've been on my Ultima for, I put them on probably at like 90,000, and now I'm at 215, 216. So 125,000. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Questions, I reply quick. That looked like a condom, but it's just a leaf. But yeah, guys, have a good day.